Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how I got these gorgeous big lioness of a mane curls, okay? Using a tiny curling wand, a 3/8 barrel. Now I am wearing tape-in hair extensions, so I wanted to see what using this tiny curling wand would do while I was wearing tape-in hair extensions, and it's just so fun, so cute. I did a video on this before, just like with my natural hair. My length is like about to here, but I wanted to see how it would hold up with like hair extensions and real human hair extensions. So check out my video on do-it-yourself tape-in hair extensions. So fun. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and curl our hair with this today. So stay tuned if that's something you're interested in. So let's see how long it takes and let's get to it. Grab yourself a snack. I got my Alani cotton candy drink. Some amazing music. And yeah, let's time this and let's get this thing going. Gonna need a ton of clips and some texturizing spray because we want these curls to hold. Music on. I'm digging this Hot Girl Agenda playlist on Spotify right now. It's got like amazing artists like Tate McRae,
Britney Spears, Art Larson. Amazing.
I always do straight hair, so this is gonna be fun doing curly hair today. Okay, and I'm just taking little sections and I'm holding the curling iron upside down and I'm trying to get it as close to my head as possible, but obviously don't burn yourself and don't burn your fingers. If you need to wear a glove, wear a glove, but once you're familiar with using a wand, you won't really need to use a glove anymore. But for safety purposes,
Can I just do it?
so yeah, if you have an evening out, I definitely recommend planning about 2 hours ahead of when you're supposed to go out for curling your hair. I mean, it's not gonna take you that long. Like, let's hope it doesn't take us 2 hours. Like, look at this, this is crazy. So here's the length of my hair, and then here's what it curls to. Crazy. And at the end, we're gonna brush it out. It's gonna look so gorgeous. So excited. Basically, I'm going for the doodle look today. I want my hair to be as curly as this gorgeous gal here. Big kiss. Love you so much. Okay, we got hot curling irons. Can't be around hot curling irons, baby. We are done the first half of our head and it is looking hella cute, you guys. Now, what are we at for time? We are only at 8 minutes and 47 seconds, so we're doing pretty good. We might be able to do our whole head in under 20 minutes, so let's get to it. All right, you guys, it turned out so cute. You just have to brush your fingers through it, brush a hair through it. But okay, I forgot to shoot the time. So it's about 35 minutes because I just spent like 3 minutes like brushing my hair. But yeah, it only took about 35 minutes. So yay, we got it done in less than 40 minutes. But again, give yourself a lot of time if you're planning on going out for the night. I think this is such a cute look for Valentine's Day, and I think I'll wear my hair like this more often. This look today is inspired by my miniature golden doodles, super cute curly hair. Yeah, are you jealous that mommy did her hair like you? Hey? Nah, you did it better. Yay. Say bye.